Hi guys, I'm sure you guys seen already that I got my Farmasi kit. Why did I choose Farmasi? Well, I've heard many great things about them from a lot of people. Clean makeup, clean ingredients are very important to me. And so I wanted to try them. And then when I went to go order from a friend of mine, I realized that it was a better deal just to join. Hey, if I didn't like it, then I could just not sell it. So you are joining me on this journey of trying it. Farmasi's been around for over 70 years. It's only been in the US for 6 years. They just celebrated their 6th anniversary. They're in over 35 markets worldwide. So they were founded in Turkey over 70 years ago. So they've been around a while. They completely source all of their items on the production line, their ingredients, their packaging, everything. There's different starter kits you can get. I happened to get one of the larger starter kits, so if you want to know, just ask me what that is, and I will share that with you. But I wanted to open it with you because I'm really excited, and I don't have any makeup on because I want to try some of it right now. So I got a makeup and skincare kit, and it comes with some brushes that I'm excited to try. They're really soft. They're pretty soft, but sturdy enough that I can do stuff with them. I will have to look to see what these brushes are, because honestly, I don't know. Let's see, where do I start? I have a neat little pen so I can write stuff down. The Dr. C Tuna line, this is the Boosting Hydro Drops. And so I'm gonna try these. Then they also have a bunch of supplements and things like that. This is an illuminating primer from the Farmasi line. I have a matte liquid lipstick, and I'm really excited to try these lipsticks. This one's called Rose. There is Infinalash. Here's a mascara. Yay. So much makeup, I'm so excited. And it was really reasonable. If you want to know how much it costs, let me know. Another primer, this is a blur primer. So I'll have to research the difference between the two of those. Another mascara, Full Blast. So I have all the mascaras to try. And most of you know I already have a mascara that I love. So I'm interested to see how these are. Here is a foundation, a Pro Foundation, and a creamy lipstick. So I think these are liquid lipsticks, and this one's more of a traditional one. And this one's more of a traditional one, so that I can figure out what I like. This is why I got a little bit of everything, so I can try all the things and let you guys know what I think. This is, I believe it's a powder. So I've got a powder. What I haven't gotten yet are some of their supplements. They have a bunch of supplements. This is a fixing spray that I want to try, and I will keep you posted on those. This is a cleanser that goes with those hydro boosting drops from that line. I know they have different lines of skincare, and I will be learning more about those to teach you. Here's an eyeshadow primer. So I get all the goodies in here. Here is an eyeliner and another mascara. This is Lash Extend, so I'm guessing it's a lengthening one. Then we have a loose powder and an all-in-one palette. So I know this is a blush, bronzer, and a highlighter. So I'm excited to try this. It's for fair to medium skin, which is me. So I will show you how those goes. And this is a super elixir. It's another part of the skincare line. But like I said, there's so much skincare that I can only start with so much, right? Here's another foundation. It's between two, so I'll figure out which one's better for me. I'll probably try these out today, and the lipsticks. And another lipstick called Brave. Then I've got a liquid bronzer. Then I have another matte liquid lipstick that I can't wait to try. And I'm really excited about the lipsticks. And here's another lipstick, because everybody says they last so long, and I really, really need that. And here is another foundation, an Air Glow one. So I'm excited to figure out the difference between all these things and share them with you. I am also on Sunday doing a little Facebook group thing to tell everybody about the products in Messenger. So if you're interested, join me. And I can't wait to see you here. Oh wait, I forgot the rest of the stuff. So I get a little bag. Good, because I don't want to put everything back in the box. And the starter kit. Here's a little kit that came with my thing, and it has a bunch of samples in it. So I can try a bunch of the things that I didn't get yet, which is awesome. I cannot wait to try this. So I have the opportunity to try a ton of things here. If anybody wants to try stuff, let me know. I have extras, and I will be keeping you posted on my journey to see how I feel about it, because I'm so excited. So yeah, I've got all kinds of stuff happening here. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you posted about what I think. Again, I've heard nothing but good things about the company, about the products. I love what I hear. I still love my nails. Follow me for the journey, and if you are interested in joining my little messenger party on Sunday, let me know, and I will add you to it.